Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to deploy a community project on the FCMS platform. This video will cover 8 key parts. Scenario overview and preparations, creating a community, adding devices, setting up property managers, adding residents, batch importing face and card data, and final acceptance. Let's start by assuming a basic project scenario. It's a community project with 3 apartment buildings. Each building has 10 floors, and each floor has 2 households. At the community's main entrance, we'll install the I-68 face recognition device. A 320i goes to the property office. Each apartment entrance gets an I-67, with an I-507W indoor monitor and an I-60 door station for every household. Before starting the project deployment, please confirm the following items. 1. Please ensure that the MAC addresses of the devices you are about to deploy have been added to the MAC database of your FCMS service provider, or that you have been granted permission to add MAC addresses yourself. 2. Make sure all your devices are updated to the latest version. 3. Install the device link app on your phone. 4. Prepare the installation locations, numbering rules, and deployment plan for the door phones and indoor stations. Now, let's begin the deployment. Step 1. Log into your FCMS installer account. Click on Project Community, then click Add. Choose a suitable name for the community. When selecting the community type, please choose carefully. If you select a type with indoor stations, the system will require you to bind an indoor station when creating rooms, and it will automatically activate 5-app account for that room. If you select a type without indoor stations, the app permissions for this room must be activated separately using licenses. Since we will install indoor stations in each unit, we will select the type that with indoor station. Now let me show you how to add a device manually. Click on the project we just created to enter the project details page. Click the plus button to create a building inside the community. Enter the building name and number. Next, find the specific building and click Add to add rooms under that building. Note, here, room refers to a household, 1 family. Enter the room number and room name, and select the device network mode and the call mode for this room. Since we selected a community type with indoor stations, you'll need to enter the MAC address and name of the indoor station installed in this room. You can add residents to this room now, or do it later using the property manager's account. Now that we've created the buildings and rooms in the community, we need to navigate to the correct location to add devices. Click Public Area. Intercom device, then add devices for the community's public areas, such as the management office guard station and the main entrance door phone. Next, let's add a door phone for the community's main entrance. click the building, then intercom device, and click Add. Here, you are adding devices for the building's public areas, such as the door phone at the main entrance of the building. Next, click Room and go to Details to enter the room. Scroll to the bottom to find Add Device, and add the door phone and indoor station for this room. Note, when adding an indoor station, you can choose whether to enable the feature that allows residents to control the security mode via the app. Open the Device Link mobile app, select the community project, and click New Project to create a new project. Enter the project name and preset buildings, rooms, and other related information according to the actual project situation, making it easier to select when adding devices later. After creation, go to the project details. Click Add New Device, select the device name, set the device type to Management Device, and choose the building as Public Area. Then scan the MAC address on the back of the A320i to complete the addition of the A320i property management device. Click Add New Device, select the device name, set the device type to door phone, and choose the building as Public Area. Then scan the MAC address on the back of the I-68 to complete the addition of the I-68 device for the community entrance. Click Add New Device, select the device name, set the device type to door phone, choose the corresponding building and unit number, and set the room to Public Area. Then scan the MAC address on the back of the I-67 to complete the addition of the I-67 device for the building entrance. Click Add New Device, select the device name, set the device type to door phone, choose the corresponding building and unit number, select the appropriate room, and then scan the MAC address on the back of the I-60 to complete the addition of the I-60 door phone device inside the room. Click Add New Device, select the device name, set the device type to indoor station, choose the corresponding building and unit number, select the appropriate room, and then scan the MAC address on the back of the I-507W to complete the addition of the I-507W indoor station in the room. Repeat the above steps to complete the addition and installation of all devices. Log into the FCMS installer account, select device link next to the project, tap Export on the mobile app, and scan the QR code to complete data synchronization. All devices will then be added to the platform and deployed automatically. Click Account User Property Manager Add, and enter the required information to create a Property Manager role. Find the activation link in the email, click it, then enter your username and password to complete the activation. Go back to the project, click the Property Manager icon next to the project, then click Edit. Move the newly created Property Manager to Selected, and click Confirm. You can also enable the Fanvil Link app access for your Property Manager. Once enabled, the app account and password will be sent to their email. Log into the Property Manager account, select the community you manage, click Resident, import resident, download the template, and fill in the required information such as building, room, and resident details according to the template. Please note that the information for building, room, and access group ID must be consistent with the existing records. You can check the relevant information on the platform. Click Buildings to view the building and room information, and click Access Group to view the access group ID. Then upload the Excel file to complete the resident import. Then click Import Card/Password. Download the template, fill in the required information, and complete the import. Then click Import Face. Name the face images using building name plus room number plus resident name, compress them into a zip file, and upload it. After that, you can view the uploaded information in the specific resident details. You can monitor the door phone camera feeds in the public areas on the A320i. Find the corresponding indoor stations and apps for each room in the contacts and make calls. On the I-68 in the public area, enter the building number plus room number to call the resident's indoor station and app. On the I-67 in the building entrance, enter the room number to call the resident's indoor station and app. On the I-60 outside the room, use the one-touch call to reach the indoor station and app inside the room. On the I-507W indoor station inside the room, you can monitor the area outside the room and unlock the door with a one-touch function.